In this video, we're going to talk about Kraft Heinz, one of the OGs out there. They're actually a consumer staples stock and tends to do well in recessions. Nevertheless, they announced their earnings last week, and as you can see, the stock sold off. They reported third quarter 2024 earnings that met expectations with revenue of $6.57 billion. The company narrowed its full-year guidance due to challenges from input costs and supply chain issues. There's a lot of companies out there that are having supply chain issues, which pretty much stems and this carryover from the pandemic. Now, despite these hurdles, meeting earnings expectations were viewed positively by investors, keeping the stock relatively stable. And so this is the monthly chart, and you can see this asymmetric price pattern forming. We did have a false breakout back in June, only to see prices rise, and now we did get a close last month to end October below, which signifies that price could continue to move lower. Now, when I look at my monthly RSI, typically anything below 50, you anticipate price moving down. Anything above it, you anticipate price moving higher. Let's scroll down to the weekly chart, and a lot of what we saw on the monthly chart, just kind of sideways price action where prices aren't making lower highs and higher lows or lower highs and lower lows. It's just sideways. If you were to kind of trace this out, that is not a trending market. All right, a couple of things that gravitate my eyes to. You have this drop in price, base and candle, and then the drop out. This was another level. Again, all of this is in the middle, so you did have another level of interest. Depending on how you draw your zone, you would have gotten to the trade. Now on the flip side, you had this level here, did work out. Depending how you draw your zones. But nevertheless, all the choppiness that you see doesn't make for a great reward to risk ratio. Now let's look at current price go down and to the left. And my eyes gravitate to this level here, rally, base, rally, pulls back, and then moves higher. And so this level is outside of all this sideways price action. I'm going to call that weekly buyers at $28.50. Really no need to go down to the daily chart. Again, in the sideways price action, you could trade in the direction of the momentum. So you could have went long, short, depending on potentially where you could have gotten in. Zooming out, back out to the weekly chart. The chart is suggesting the best levels to get long is if we can get price to decline to this $28, $29 level, and that would be an opportunity to take it long. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.